Is upper cross syndrome giving you trouble with your shoulders or pain in your neck? Well, stick around to the end of the video for 2 stretches on how to deal with this at home. Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Dr. Vincenzo Romualdi. I'm a chiropractor in Yorkville in downtown Toronto, and today we're going to be talking about upper cross syndrome, some of its symptoms, and 2 stretches you could do at home in order to release those tight muscles. Before we get into today's video, I just want to let you know that chiropractic care can help with conditions such as upper cross syndrome. What I'm after is making sure your body is at its best always. So if you have a stress in your life, whether it be a physical, emotional, or chemical stress, you're dealing with it at your best. So now that that's said, let's get into today's video. What is upper cross syndrome? Well, upper cross syndrome deals with tight and weak muscles in your upper body that cross over from front to back. Now today, we're not going to be dealing with the weak muscles. We're going to be addressing the weak muscles in the next video and how to strengthen them. What we are going to be focusing on are the tight muscles and how to stretch them at home so you may be able to alleviate some of the symptoms you may be going through. What are the symptoms that you could potentially get with upper cross syndrome? Well, with upper cross syndrome, you get symptoms such as neck pain or discomfort, headaches, shoulder rounding or shoulder discomfort, or discomfort while sitting for long periods of time while doing things like watching a movie or driving a car or sitting at your desk working. So what are these tight muscles we're dealing with? The tight muscles we're dealing with, if you look at the picture here, are your pec major in the front, and it crosses over to the back of your spine or the back of your system and affects the back of your neck, mainly so the levator scapula, which you can see here. How do we stretch these? Well, let's get into that. First stretch we're going to be doing is called a door stretch or a wall stretch. I'm going to be using the wall, but you can find a door and do the same thing, and it's a stretch for your pec muscles. So essentially what you want to be doing is taking your arm and stretching it across the wall or the door and really opening up that pec there. You want to be holding it for about 30 seconds and repeat it 3 times on both sides. So stretch number 2 is going to be targeting the muscles in the back of your neck, mainly your levator scapula. And the motion your levator scapula is in charge of is raising your shoulders like this. So what we're going to do to stretch it is use a chair so you can target both sides. I'm using my table just to demonstrate. But you're going to grip the underside of the chair and you're going to pull on it so that will depress the shoulder and engage that muscle. Then you're going to look the opposite way, and with your hand you're going to flex your neck. Now do this gradually. Obviously if it comes pain, come just off of it. And 30 seconds, hold, and repeat for 3 times. And then repeat on the other side as well. And that should give a nice stretch in the levator scapulae muscle there. So those are 2 tips on how to stretch the tight muscles that are involved with upper cross syndrome. In next video, we're going to be going over the weak muscles and how to strengthen them at home, again, to alleviate some of those symptoms that you may be experiencing. If you found this video helpful, please share and like. And leave a comment down below if you have any questions or if you have any concerns or other videos that you want me to do or topics you want me to touch upon. Be more than happy to make a video on anything that you may be going through and how we can help. Thanks for watching and have yourself a great day.